Yo, what's crackalacking peeps? Today, sunny outside, as you guys can see on my right. It's sunny outside, but today we're going to be inside today. We have a very special video today. We're going to be doing an unboxing on the Grundéns 319 Neptune jacket, raincoat jacket. I bought these for bass fishing tournaments. It's coming up this month. You guys will see on the channel coming soon. But today we're going to be doing a review on it for those of you guys who are scared to make a purchase or want to see what the product is looking like before you make that purchase. That's what we're here for. So let's get right into it. Now here's a jacket. We got an all black color. There's the option of gray, black, and a turquoise light blue color, which is pretty interesting. I never saw a light blue turquoise color. But here's a jacket right here. First things first, it's a raincoat jacket. This is a size large, and I have it on a hanger right now. But as you guys can see, I mean, it feels weatherproof. By the way, anything I say is an honest review. There's no stitching. What they did is they took overlap layers and ironed it down some way to where if it like it's an actual raincoat, so if water was to get in that stitching, you won't get wet. But I like that. It comes with zip up, little knot up things that go across with a little zip up right here that you can zip down. Have not taken the tags off yet, but has two inside pockets on each side. I'm gonna take this hanger off real quick. Has two inside pockets on each side, right? That guarantees you nothing, hopefully nothing will get destroyed in there. You also have a little thing to tighten your waist around the coat. I'm gonna put this on soon. I just want to show you guys the features and everything. It also has a pocket on the other side that you can fit your stuff through right here. And on the zippers in the front, zipping up, and inside it's I guess it will keep your stuff wet. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a little mesh component, like on the side of a crib. You know, that little mesh on the side of a crib, and then it has the bars, 4 bars that go around. That's what it's made out of inside the pocket, and the outside it is a zipper on both sides, so that's cool. On the back of the hood has a strap, adjust it to however the size of your head is. Also, it has these two little inside things that goes around the hood. So if I wanted to tighten this, I can tighten it. You know, I'm gonna tighten it both sides just so you guys can see what that looks like. Tighten it. Good. It tightens this area. Reduces the chance of water getting to your body. Because remember, this is a raincoat. It's supposed to keep you dry, right? Has the Grundéns symbol on the left chest. Yeah, that's mainly it. Inside, let me talk about the inside material. It's like a little, I'm gonna say, it feels like a wrap. It's not something to keep you warm, it's something to keep you dry. That type of material. So it's not a material where it's a lot of fur, a lot of stuff. As you guys can see, there's no fur anywhere in this coat, little jacket. It's just something to put on top of your clothes to keep you warm. Let's put this on so you guys can see a close-up of what it looks like. I also forgot to tell you guys, they have these little strap-ons to where you can adjust the wrist to also keep it from getting cold. It's a little Velcro strap. So if I wanted to be real tight, I could be real tight. If I wanted to be loose, I could be loose. However your style of fishing, or just want to use the raincoat, and regularly I'm going to be using this for tournament fishing, so it's adjustable. I do like that. But let's zip this thing up and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like at the bottom. Just giving you guys a heads up. This is what it looks like at the bottom. I'm gonna tighten adjust. I can tighten it through the pockets. So if I wanted to be real tight, I can do that. If I wanted to loosen it, just move around and it'll loose. This is what it looks like. Just a large again. I like my stuff real tight, so where it's gonna be at for me. Tighten that to the fullest. Hands in pocket, this is what it's looking like. Again, logo straps. This is a large, so this is a little big for me, so it does have a little bit of loose fitting. I usually wear a medium, but I can grow into this. So alright, this is what it looks like on me. You guys can see the full fit. Now, I would say it's a tight fitting. It's supposed to go over your clothes, so I wouldn't be wearing something under this. If I have something under this, it probably would fit me. So if I was to recommend, if you do planning on doing fishing tournaments, get a size bigger, depending on what size you are. I mean, I am a medium, and this will be tight. This would be tight on me, cool looking basically. Compared to if I was to get a large, it would be looking baggy looking, but still do the same thing as a medium would do, but I can grow into it longer. You can do more things if you get a size bigger. So what it looks like. And you guys, let me show you the hood. Alright, so this is what the hood face covering looks like. You can either tuck your face over like this, or you can go under like this. Your personal preference, or zip into down. Now you gotta open like this. So here's what it's looking like. This is non-tight. I'm gonna tighten it just to show you guys if I can find it. There it is. That's tight. It's real tight. Zipping it up one more time. Now, here is my first problem, these little strings. You gotta make sure those are tucked in. Or it's not really a problem, it's your personal preference. If you wanna have them out or in. This is really tight. This is what I'm looking like. You can either put a face covering on, a hat to stop this from coming over your face, which I will be doing because I got dreads in my face, so it's gonna be in my face. So I'm gonna be having a hat on, face covering, any type of face covering. Let me show you guys. Anything like this will work with this jacket. Cool looking jacket. If you guys want to see it unzipping, here we go. It's unzipping. This is what it's looking like. Hood on, hood off. Pretty good jacket. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. But I think that's it for this jacket. That's basically all it comes with. I think I covered over everything. If I haven't, I will add it in the video. But I think that was everything. Remember, it does have a hood strap on the back, so you can tighten that. You can do whatever with the jacket. It is a raincoat. It's up to you. But if I had to rate this jacket, give it 10 out of 10. Pretty good looking jacket. Now it's time for the durability test, and that will be on my fishing tournament video. So if you guys want to see the durability on this, it will be linked in the description after I make the video. I'll give you a durability test if it rains on this jacket, to show you guys if it's really waterproof or not. So if you are watching this and it's like a year old or months old, it will be linked in the description on the durability test on this coat. But that's it. That's all I got for today's video. If you guys like, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and until the next video, we are gone. Neptune, baby. Peace.